Hey, Legacy Flower Roofing and Sheet Metal. We are today in the west end of London, just outside of downtown. We are doing a 2-ply modified roof. So we missed the first little bit of the job. We had a deck. You can see the walkout door. There was a deck and an awning system kind of covering it over. A lot of shade, a lot of moisture stayed on the job. We put a new baseboard down. That's a recovery board. We fastened that down. And the next step, as you can see, is a base sheet. So you always want to do your lower roof first, so you shed properly from the high water level to the low water level. Now you'll see how we do the flashing. There you go. We have one drain here. So this is how the lower roof drains. And on the higher roof, we have an east trough on each end. So there we go. We have the base sheet down. We are going to prime it. It's a 2-ply system. Prime it and put the cap sheet. So what it looks like. We just finished the roof, about 400 square feet. Roof turned out nice. The client now has an area where they can extend the deck. They had a walkout deck till about that first drop. Now with proper framing and stuff, you can really take advantage of the whole flat roof. So that's the benefit of a flat roof. You get to do different stuff. Put AC units, mechanical units, put a deck, more living space. So there you go. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.